This is the DJI Air3, and the best feature about this drone, I've kind of given away there, is this. It's got not one, but two cameras in the front. Two 1/1.3 inch sensor cameras. Same sensor size to the Mini 3 Pro, but it's updated. It's a better image pipeline, so the video quality is better. But one of them is equivalent to 24mm, and the other one is a telephoto 70mm equivalent telephoto lens. And that is something I've been wanting in a drone for such a long time, in a portable drone. You can get similar focal length on the Mavic 3 Pro, but for me doing hiking and carrying a lot of extra stuff with me, like camping stuff, it was just a little bit too heavy. I will be doing a proper video about this drone, but I just thought I'd stick up some of the footage that I've got so far, and you can let me know what you think of it. And there'll be more details on this drone when I make a proper video at a later date, so if you want to watch that, you can subscribe for it.